We went to the Joan Jett concert.
Yeah,
Why did you?
yeah.
Remember?
I remember.
Orange County Fair.
I was there.
You were there.
You
Yeah,
were?
she was amazing. Yes.
Yeah.
Always.
Pretty good for over 60.
Hey, she's the queen of the Cougars.
Queen of the Cougars.
She's the ultimate cougar.
Yeah,
Yes,
I
of
had
rock.
to do my research. He made me go watch a movie. What movie was that? You made me watch?
The Runaways.
Oh, yeah.
She
good one.
started the first all-rock female band, the Runaways. Lita Ford, Joan
Cherry Curry.
Jett, Cherry Curry.
Oh, let's do Cherry Bomb.
And we'll do Cherry Bomb.
Oh,
for you,
Cherry
too.
Bomb, for sure.
Oh, for sure do Cherry Bomb. Even the little kids in here, we did a kids show, and they were like, Cherry Bomb. It was so cute. Okay, so let's do Joan Jett, and I think that you want the mic here.
Okay, you are rocking with G-Rock and TT Morgan. This is the Demo Radio. Don't forget KTSTFM.com, and you can go to our Facebook, KTSTFM Live.
There by the wrecking machine. Must have been about slugs. Strong. Well, my favorite song. Tell yeah, me. And I can tell it wouldn't be long till he was with me. Yeah, me. Singing I love rock and roll. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. Time and dance with me. Wow. Get up and dance with me. That he said, 'cause it's always where we can be next week we're moving on and it was with me. Yeah, me. Next week we're moving on and it was with me. Yeah, me. I love rock and roll. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. Come take your time and dance with me. Yeah, me. We're moving on and singing that same old song. Yeah, with me. Singing I love rock and roll. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with me. I love rock and roll. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. Come and take your time and dance with me. I love rock and roll. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come and take your time and dance with me. I love rock and roll. Put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. Come and take your time and dance with me. I knew that one too.
All right, yeah, I love that
Two
one.
for two.
That's right, she's 2 for 2.
Right.
All right.
Okay.
So I think we have, is it possible we have callers coming in? We
Um,
haven't told anyone yet, but we
no.
did post on our Facebook page that we'd be accepting callers. I don't know if you guys wanted to do that or not.
Right, the phone number is 951-377-0927. Need the phone.
And no, what you do is you put your phone up to that mic, and put it on
951.
speaker.
Mm-hmm.
When they call in.
Sure thing.
0927.
Sorry.
Are they gonna get a prize if they call in?
Well, they might get away with a request, or we might
Oh,
be
nice.
giving stuff away if they, we get some support and some likes on our page.
And how many likes are we going to give the prize away? Is it 15?
The 15th
All right.
like, we're going to give some cougar swag. You can take a cougar home with you.
So like our Facebook page, COUGRZZ Cougars Rock.
And don't forget to look on TT Morgan, 2 N's on YouTube after to watch what you're listening to live in the show. These girls are gorgeous. They're hot. Cougars, 2 Z's. You'll see it on there. This is a great show. Okay,
Kira does a great job.
Oh, Kira's awesome.
She has all our other shows on the podcast there, so check them out, everybody.
You know, one thing I did want to say, guys, speaking of beautiful and hot, we're missing one cougar today, and that is Crystal. Portillo. That's one of our, that's our backup singer and our percussionist. So I'm real sorry she can't be here today, but wanted everyone to know. We want to shout out to Cradle.
Love you, Crystal.
That's our southern belle who's in our band. So next time we come on, we're gonna have
You're
her
definitely welcome.
make it work.
Come back anytime.
Looking
The more
forward to
cougars,
it.
the better,
The
right?
more cougars, the better.
Okay, what do you got for us next?
Well, I think we should do some.
I want some Guns
ro-
N' Roses.
Well, that's coming up.
Okay,
No
we're gonna-
problem.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's easy.
Well, didn't you want to do some
Cherry
cherry bomb? I know.
Yeah.
You
Yeah, cherry bomb.
I want to keep you singing and dancing, so
I know.
I've got one for you.
I've already gotten 2 songs, 2 I knew. Now we're gonna do another one I know.
Oh my
I'm
gosh,
really,
3
really
for 3.
excited.
You know this one because we're at the concert.
I know, that's how I know it.
Okay.
Here we go, girls.
That's absolutely my favorite song.
That was really good.
Yes. The movie was pretty cool.
Awesome, huh?
Yeah, the movie was cool. You didn't like it, huh?
I didn't say I didn't like it.
What's not to like?
Yeah.
I didn't say I didn't like it.
You putting words in her mouth again.
So let's say the website again, because you can actually buy the CDs off of this website.
You bet. We have all of our swag, all of our merchandise for sale. It's cougarsrock.com, COUGRZZ rock.com. We actually have a 2014 pinup calendar getting hot off the
It's a little
printing
saucy.
presses right now. It's a little spicy. So buyer beware. It's a great gift, and that is available for purchase on our website as
And
well.
that's 2 Z's, so can you say the website again, because I'm really slow with
www.cougarsrock.com. That's COUGRZZROCK. Cougarsrock.com. You got it. Oh, I like it. It's in unison. You girls are so together.
You know, us girls, we all stick together.
Okay, so again, if you want to see them in person, Wednesday is at the Velvet Lounge Santa Ana, our place in Lake Forest on Thursday. If you miss Wednesday, Friday at Malarkey's in Long Beach. You guys don't want to miss these girls live. They're really, really good, and they're really beautiful. I'd get that pinup calendar. Is it pinup calendar?
It is.
Yeah.
Wow, I'd get that if I were you. If I was a
pre-order
Show
it
them
now.
that pic.
I
Show them that pic, Rosie.
want to get one.
Here's a little sample of the pinup calendar. See Rosie on her
maybe
pic?
maybe I'll get one for my son too. Yeah, he's 14. That's pretty good.
Isn't that cute?
Yes, with guitars and everything. That's cute.
Yes.
Oh my God, you guys, see, the 18th, is it the 18th or 15th on Facebook thing? Maybe you can
The
give them a-
15th.
The 15th
Yeah,
like.
if you're a guy and you like it and you're the 15th, then maybe they'll send you a calendar.
You know, we have all kinds of fans. We have ladies that love us that come see our show. We
Right,
have,
yeah.
you know,
I love you guys.
and a lot of ladies will buy the calendar too because they're our pals, you know, and they're supporting us, and you know.
Yeah, the way we see it, guys, everyone's a part of the Cougar Club. You know, we have cougars in training. We have cubs.
What's the
Kittens.
difference between a cougar and a MILF?
Oh, we can't say on the air.
a cougar. Well, I will say one thing. A MILF is specifically a mother. Now, although three of us are mothers, we do have children. A cougar just isn't necessarily a mother. It's an older woman. Older woman, the way we define cougars, is an older woman who has a lot of experience, knows exactly what she wants, and isn't afraid to go after.
Feels comfortable in
What
her
it
own
is,
skin,
yes.
confident.
So that's
Still
why.
feels sexy too.
So the MILFs go after the younger ones and
No,
the cougars don't?
no.
Or the
No, I
cougars go
think
after-
Melf as mothers, I'd like to.
I know
Use your
fans.
imagination.
Okay. I got that.
All right.
And there's a JILF too. There's a JILF. It's a grandma's I like. Yeah, too.
Oh, well, we're not quite there yet, but
I
we're
think
close.
Benny signed
We're
up for that today. He
we're
put
getting-
a new email address. Yeah. Okay, so I want you to Guns N' Roses.
Let's do it.